Hi friends, welcome. Previously we had developed small applications by using Gemini API and developed the same in the Collab platform. Now we will see how we will develop these applications but without using any API key. Small 2 lines of code will give us the answer from the AI tools. We will also see where all we can use it and what is the limitation of this way using backend models. So we will learn more about this. Visit this URL. This is there in the description below. So you can read all this part 1. So here we have explained how to use the API key to use in the Collab platform. So we have discussed it here. But note that everywhere here we have used API key. So how to store it and all also we have discussed. Now scroll down. So about various other scripts in the chart mode also, the video tutorial is also there, you can use it. Now come to the part 2. Here it is, working without API key. So this also you can read the text here, small codes, 2 line of codes also will give you that. Now scroll down, different applications where even how to transfer the data, that also we have explained it here. Now come down and below you will get a link here where the entire source code you can copy it, download to your system and work. If you click this, you will land in the GitHub page. Here in the GitHub page, the Jupyter notebook, you can download it or copy it. Then on clicking the open in Collab, you can open the same script in your Collab platform. So note that Collab is a free Google Cloud platform. You must log into your Google account so to run these codes here. Here the entire source code is available without writing any single line. You can run this code also. I am in my Collab platform. So this is the Google's cloud-based free platform. Python is already there and many libraries are already pre-installed, so I can directly work on it. You can use this for even complex applications. You will get a TPU or a high-end processors also you can get it. So let's start. This is a part of your Google account and all your files are stored in the drive. So let's start here. This is a Jupyter notebook only. So I am saying from google.colab. It has already suggested me import AI. Now next line I will come here. In fact, it is suggesting me. So, okay, response. Now I put it already, it is there. AI.generate text. What is the capital of India? That's what I am just asking, printing the response output. Let's just see it. So, okay, run anyway. So here it is, the capital of India. This is the return from the AI model which works at the background. I have not used any API key or anything, simple 2 lines of text. It's very simple to use. So no API key is required. But can I use it for complex applications? Any chart mode, or can I send a data to the model and get the output, or do a data analysis on that? We'll learn all about this. But first initially, no. It is only meant to work in the Collab platform and that too for text based questions and not in chart mode. We'll see that. Let's see what are the list of available models. So next cell, that is same thing only, though it is not required because above cell contains this line. So still will say that for continuity, so you can directly copy it and use it. So AI list of model, this line returns us the total what are the models available to this. Note that this is specific to this particular library what you are using. You just keep a note because sometimes the Google may change it at the back end. Now let's just come down. Here what you are doing is we are giving a model name. Use this particular model. Here you can see this model name we are giving and asking the same question. Okay, what's the capital of England? So now let's see. Already I think the output is there. The capital of England is London. So this is the response we get it. If you are expecting a continuous flow of data, so that time you can make it stream is equal to true. So we are saying tell me a short story. So I'll just run this. So now let's see how it will comes up, because the data what comes is in a chunk size or in a bunch it will come. So you can see this, here it is. It comes one by, not at a one go waiting and sending you at a stretch. So it is giving you part by part. Can I send data? So I will send a Excel file or a CSV file or a database file, any other data. So, and ask for a what is the highest number, what is the average mark, can I do a data analysis? Usually we do with the models, can I do like that? Here it is not possible, we will see how it can be, we will make it possible. I am just importing a student data sample XLS file around 30 to 40, 35 record rows of data. So, I am just calling it and this will be available here in this, yeah, here it is, it has come. Now, this is a sample Excel file, you can use your own Excel file, you can also upload it from here. So, you can upload it whatever Excel file that you can use it. Now, I am using Pandas DataFrame. Now, Pandas is a data analytics tool, it is a highly popular data analysis tool already available by default in the Colab platform. So, this library is highly popular for data analysis. So, running this will make a data, create a data frame for us and it will print the first 5 records. So, this is for the sample output to understand how the database looks like or our data frame ID, name, class, mark and gender. This is continued for around 33 to 34 records, it's a small Excel table. Now, let us see how this will send it. Now, what you will do is to send this data frame or Pandas data frame gives us a method to convert it into a string format. So, instead of a database, I will just convert it by using toString. See this variable will contain that. I am just creating a df underscore string. Now, I have this is a string, though it looks like a table, it is a string only. So, this string I will pass it to the AI tool. Now, was this how I am passing? Again, this line is presented here because for continuation, because at the above cell I have already imported. So, the library is already available to me. I am giving a question here from the following student data, which student has the highest provide a mark, please only provide the student's name. Then I am adding to that this data string. DF string, it is not a Excel file or a database, it is a data in a string format, because this particular model won't accept anything in a database format, CSV, Excel or anything. Now, let us run this and see what the output is. Now, here it is, the highest student his name has come, but I want that, okay, let me change the question a bit, give me all the details, means which class is his, what is the mark, that will see. Let us see this question, give me the name, class, mark for the student who has got the highest mark. So, I expect all this, but here I am not giving any string here, just see this. This is I am not adding my student data. If I run this, what information I will get it? Because in a normal model, in a chart mode, it use the previous history or the previous data and work on it. Now, you see 10 class 10A 85. This is something I don't have a 10A class. I can definitely help you to find, but I need some data first. See the answer. Please provide me with the list of student including their name, class, mark. Once you give me so all the details it has asked me, give me that information, I can identify the student with the highest. For example, your data could look something like this, means it has not used our table. It has given something of its own and expect us to give data in this format, I will give you the answer. To check this further, I am just creating another set of questions. So, these are 2 questions, means one line I have commented it also. Give me the average mark of class 4. Anyway, I do not expect an answer because it will not get the data from the above charting. So, what I will do is I will change this question. I will put a comment mark here and see here I am using df underscore string. I am passing my data as a string, not as a data frame. So, here it is, let us just see. Now, it should give me to find out it has not only that it has given the average at the end, but it has given me the how it has arrived at also. Now, you can understand that it does not maintain the history, it is never works in the chart mode, it is just for simple plain text input and text output. So, this is another way. Say I am giving countries, I want it should tell me return me a dictionary where it contains the capital of these 3 countries. I have given a list of created a list by using the country names, but here also I cannot pass a list, I have to convert into a string. So, here I am doing a string, then passing it and getting the output here. So, you can get a output. I asked him here, but give me a Python dictionary, the output I can expect in a format I want. but when I am giving a input, I cannot pass on whatever way I want. So, here it is, it has given me a dictionary also. Here you can see country capital, India, all the 3 countries it has given me. So, this is the same thing you can continue, and also you can keep it inside a user input. Say I will type something, I will get the output. I will type say until and until I just type exit, the loop will not stop. So, let me just run this, it will ask me input. You can ask question to the model, type exit to stop. Okay, tell me the capital of India. So, it will give me capital of model answer, capital of India is New Delhi. I have to specifically tell what is capital of England. I cannot just type England, where in other prompts I can. So, what is the capital of England? Now, it is the capital of England is London. I can continue. Now, let me just exit it. So, I typed it. So, it will come out of the loop. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience and you can further progress by using this particular tool and in your applications wherever you feel it is easy to integrate. And if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.